Here we have a question on ratio. If the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:7:11, find the angles. So the three angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:7:11. Okay, to get the three angles from this ratio, what I need to do is I have to multiply all the three terms of this ratio by the same number. I do not know by what number I should multiply all these three terms. So I am going to multiply each term by x to get the first angle and second angle and third angle. So the first angle of the triangle will be 2x, the second angle of the triangle will be 7x, and the third angle of the triangle will be 11x. We know the important fact about triangle, that is the three angles of a triangle will add up to 180 degree. So when you add 2x, 7x and 11x, that will be equal to 180. Okay, now solve this equation for x. So 2x plus 7x 9x, 9x plus 11x is going to be 20x is equal to 180. Okay, so now 20 and x are multiplied here. If I take this 20 to the right side, it will become division, that is x is equal to 180 divided by 20. So when you divide 180 by 20, it will be 9. So because 20 goes into 21 times, 20 goes into 180 9 times, we get x. So now we can substitute x is equal to 9 here in 2x, 7x and 11x to get the first angle, second angle and third angle. Okay, in 2x, if you substitute x is equal to 9, it will be 2 times 9, that is 18, and here 7 times 9, it will be 63, and 11 times 9 will be 99. So the three angles of a triangle are 18 degree, 63 degree and 99 degree.